Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Of today my topic of linear search of coding practice. Okay, first of create of any array. Okay, here the create of any array of named of array. Okay, this of array. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. There are 5 numbers. Okay, index start of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, index of always from 0. Okay, again int of suppose a linear search of 40. Okay, search of 40. 1 second. Okay, this array. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Okay, this array of index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we create a 5 member array store of 5 member. Okay, see again of search of method because of int n equal to 5. Okay, explain and this and store the total number of n store total number okay of element in the array. Okay, again 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, 50. This of array and y search value, the variable key store the number we want to search here. Okay, search here only 40. Value int key is equal to 40. Okay, 40. That's fine. Here we are searching from 40. Okay, here we are searching 40. Okay, let's start. This variable keep of track whether element found 0. Okay, of my code. Okay, found 0. 1 second. Okay, found 0. Because of found 0 element are not found yet. Okay, then is condition of not found. Okay, we found 1. We found 1 because a number is found and break. Okay, let's again. Okay, for loop are a okay for loop. This loop a check vary element one by one. Okay, one by one. First let's start of I is equal to 0. Okay, and continue of units. Okay, I greater than n. Okay, and I plus value of plus. Okay, the loop run like n is equal to 5. Okay, then group null n is equal to 5. Okay, 5 of element. Okay, of a compare of element, this if this a compare of element. Okay, this check is the current array element equal to the search value. If yes, the element has been found. uh, Suppose a dry run. Okay, cause on our array, uh, pen my pen 10 20 30 40 and 50, this is my array. Okay, key value find 40. Okay, searching 40. First iteration, first iteration first iteration I equal to 0. Okay, then I is equal to 0, 10 array. Okay, okay, I 0 10. Okay, is equal to 0 is equal to 10, sorry. Okay, first 0 and 10 and is equal to 40. Okay, not match. Okay, check not match, then move to next element. Okay, move to next element 20. Okay, 20 is equal to 40, match, not match. Okay, not match. Okay, then again 30. Okay, then after check second iteration of sorry, one by one check iteration I is equal to 1, array check 1. Okay, 1 is equal to 20. Okay, 20 is equal to 40, not match. Okay, then third iteration okay, I is equal to 2, I is equal to 2 of value 30, 30 is equal to 40, not match. Okay, then again move ahead. Fourth iteration I is equal to 3, array 340. Okay, 40 is equal to 40 are a match. Okay, yes. Okay, element found, then print. Okay, oh, then print found and index I. Okay, element found, index I is index, value of index 3. Okay, because 4 of index 3. Okay, update found variable found 1. Okay, update found variable found 1. Okay, then again of break element, then suppose not of use break element, the loop or continuous. Okay, the break start of immediately stop the loop. Why? Because once find requirement element, there is no need to check the remaining element. This make a programming fast. Okay, after the loop, okay, after the loop, if found equal to 0, if the loop of finish and 0, okay, finish as 0, okay, it means the element was never found, then we print of element not found, okay, and return 0, okay. Of there is time of complexity, best case are big of 1, average case are big of n, worst case are big of n, and space complexity are big of 1, okay. There change, okay. Then okay, please try again, run this code of VS Code and let me know the solution, okay. Again yourself, okay. Comment or a question or a confusing here, comment my YouTube channel. Also do leave comment if you any question and issue, I am reply for us, okay. Thank you very much.